Hello everyone, welcome to the unboxing of Gamdias Aeolus M21203 Lite. So I'm gonna unbox it today. Note that the box is not new. It was owned by one of my friends, so he just repackaged it for me and gave it to me as he's upgrading the system. So let's not wait and unbox it. So as you can see, this should work with Asus Sync and Gigabyte, MSI, ASRock, and whatever boards you have. And this should work with the 3-pin ARGB header with your motherboard. You should have a 3-pin addressable RGB header on your motherboard to support the fans. And if you don't have it, you just can use this switch to change the lighting modes of the fan. And here is how you set up the fan. So you can see that SATA connection goes to the power supply, and they are just use a parallel connection for rest of the fans. And you can use the 3-pin addressable header to control the lighting. And you can see that there is no system for PWM connection or any other type of 3-pin power connection, so that you can control the speed of the fans. So you are just gonna connect the SATA connection with your power supply, and that's it. That's a fixed speed, I guess. And if you want to take a closer look, you can do it. And 12-volt fan for the power and 5-volt for LED. And as you know that all ARGB connections are already 5 volts. It's a universal standard at this point. And here are all the things. So let's not wait and unbox it. Oh, the pricing is 2300 Bangladeshi taka, which is roughly, I guess, 20 to $30. Yes, $30. So here is the 3 fans, and this is the main fan where all the connections go. So it is silver or white, you can say. And the rest of the fans are golden logo fans. So here are all the screws. I guess you also get this with the fan. And let's check the parallel fans first, and let's keep the box aside. Yes. So there is nothing but a connection for the parallel connection, a 4-pin connection. This is a proprietary connection for the Gamdias fans, and here is another one, so you can just parallel it with another fan if you buy more. So, and if you see closely, that here is a rubber piece, and we're to get better insulation and reduce vibration. And here is the warranty information. Don't remove it if you want warranty, because this comes with 1 year limited warranty. So this is the same thing, and this is the main fan where all the connections go. This also comes with rubber pieces, and this is a different kind of unit. Why it is different? Because all these connections, first let's talk about RGB first. So here are the RGB connections for your motherboard, and you can connect it with your motherboard, and you can also parallel it with another thing. Suppose you have running another device with ARGB, you can just use this thing to connect that too. So that's a good thing if you have limited ARGB ports on your motherboard, which I have. In my case, this is very important. And if you don't have a ARGB header, you can just use this switch to control the lighting. And also there is a system where you can disconnect it to use a separate switch. Some CPU cases come with separate switch to control your RGB. You can use that thing and connect it with your CPU case and use use a dedicated CPU button. For CPU button, I mean the chassis button, or you can say the casing button, to control the ARGB of the fans. So I'll just reconnect it. So here it is. So there goes the ARGB, and here is the SATA connection. This will go to your power PSU or power, and here you will connect one of the fans, and the rest of the fans will go accordingly with other ones. So here it is. I guess it is easy to understand. So if you don't understand it yet, I'm just gonna set up it. So first I'm gonna take out the ARGB things. So I'm taking one of the fans and I'll just connect it with this thing. There goes one. So it locks into place securely. And here is another connection left for me to connect the third one. So here is the third one, and I will connect this one too. So as I connect these, they are all gonna sync with the first one, and all these will work perfectly. I think that's how it should be. So I'll try to test the RGB if I can. So I'll just place it with my fan, with my casing, and run it. So that's it for now. The setup, and you can see that the lights are working with ARGB header, and these are green. So how do I get the ARGB to work? So I have a button here. So right here I have the button. So I'll just press it to let you see. I'll just one press and this changes the color, you can see. So these are the normal modes, where this is the different from ARGB one. These are preset modes from Gamdias. and you can see all these things. So all these are from the memory of the fans itself. So I guess you can hear the sound. So what can we do to sync it with the ARGB one? So this one here is ARGB. So this is a Cooler Master ELV8, which you can check in my channel. So this costs roughly around, I guess, $30 to $25. So how to get it synced with the JRGB one, the J Rainbow one, sorry, the ARGB header. So I'll just press and hold this one, and this will sync, just sync with the ARGB thing. So when the ARGB light changes, it will, you can just use the motherboard to control the lighting of the fans. So thank you guys. Here it is, here I end the video. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.